loves, it's Sam. Today I'm gonna be doing a Thanksgiving food grocery haul. We just went to Target. We already got the turkey, so I'm not gonna show you the turkey because we all have the turkey. But this is just other stuff that I got from Target. We've had such a busy day today, guys. It was the first day of school for the kids at their new school. Do you ever have one of those days where you have it all planned out and you're like, this is gonna be amazing, I'm gonna do this, and then it doesn't work out? So I went to a new nail salon because obviously I don't know where to go here. And I got there at 9:30 and I got out at 11:30, and all I had was a gel manicure. Not even hard gel, just regular old gel polish. It took 2 hours to do my manicure. So then, oh sorry, this is in the way. So then there went my whole 2 hours, and then Lily was having a Thanksgiving feast, so the teachers asked if I wanted to come. So then of course Lily was like, yes please. So then I went. So then Phoenix was like, oh, will you please come visit me afterwards? So then of course I went and visited Phoenix afterwards. And then I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna go check the mailbox, which I did, but then there was major traffic, so that took me forever. I finally got home. I literally had like not very long at all before I had to go back and pick the kids up. So basically, I had a whole plan of doing the groceries, going and filming a video, getting all the stuff done, but because my nails took 2 hours, it all went to poop. So me and the kids, I picked them up from school, and then we went to Target to get all of this stuff. So now I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, we went and had Cold Stone because it was their first day of school, and they both did really well. They didn't cry. And did that, and then we went to Target and we got a ton of groceries. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that we got. We are hosting it this year. I'm a little bit stressed out about it because I've never actually cooked a huge turkey before, so we shall see how it goes. But I have a bunch of food now, so if the turkey fails, it's okay, we'll have tons of other food. So I still have some other stuff in the fridge from when I went before, but this is just extra stuff that, oh, we still need to go to Costco and get cheese and a turkey baster from somewhere and rolls. Yes?
I made my note.
Oh, Miss Lee made a note for her old teacher. She's gonna send it to her. It says, my first day of school was good. And then she drew a picture of her old teacher and Lily.
Me.
So cute, she's gonna love that. Do you wanna go make a picture for your best friend as well? That'd be a good idea. First thing we have is Mediterranean style, or sorry, what am I reading? Entertainment assortment crackers. What? Whoever you want. This is not for Thanksgiving, but these are, Jay loves these for work. It's the Salad Shake-Ups Avocado Ranch, guys. These are so good. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend. I've had them as well, they're really yummy. I got some rosemary and olive oil Triscuits and some roasted garlic Triscuits, so we can have like cheese and crackers and salami. And then I got some cranberry goat cheese. Yum, those are so good. And then my sister is probably gonna be spending the night on Thanksgiving. And then, so in the morning, I was gonna make like a nice big scrambled omelet kind of thingamabobber, and then some cinnamon rolls. Yes? Oh, not yet, beautiful. We will in a little bit, okay?
Alright, I got all set up.
Okay, Jay can't have apple crumble, so I got him some Magnum double caramel bars for Thanksgiving when we all have dessert. He can't because he can't have wheat. I got more of the YQ Yoplait. Oh, these are so good. I love these yogurts. They have no fruit lumps, which gross me out so much. Peach is my favorite, but I also got strawberry, so I got a ton of those. Okay, I got more of those salads for Jay for work. Classic cut bacon. Of course, we got eggs. This is not Thanksgiving. Sorry, guys. I haven't even got to the Thanksgiving part yet. Some pizza for the kids. We always have Friday night pizza night. And then Phoenix wanted these. We don't normally get these, but he was just like salivating over it. So I think he tried to test her at like Costco once, and he's like, oh, I love those. So we got those. I got a big old bag of potatoes because we're gonna make some roasted potatoes. We got a lot of ice cream for apple crumble. I like cream on my apple crumble, but just in case other people don't. I got 2 things of vanilla, and then Jay is obsessed with this one. It's the mocha almond fudge. It's really good. If you guys like that coffee kind of flavor ice cream, you should try it. Okay, I got some carrots, and then I'm gonna make cauliflower cheese, which is like the best ever. So I got 2 things of cauliflower. And then I got some sugar snap peas because I'm gonna have like a little veggie tray. So we'll have like sugar snap peas, baby carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and then some hummus and some ranch. Okay, we got a kettle because my kettle broke this morning, which was so annoying. That thing was amazing.
It's beautiful.
Well, it's all full. Here, you wanna show it? Give it to me.
It's super heavy.
Okay, well we got a Hamilton Beach kettle for tea. Granny Smith apples for the apple crumble. We got some of these. These are the Good Foods chunky guacamole with tortilla chips. Jay really likes these for work. They're really nice little snacks. It's just guacamole and chips in a little like snack size portion. We got some onions, some more guacamole thingamabobbers, bleach and Persil Intense Fresh Pro Clean laundry detergent. That stuff is amazing. My dad requested that I make his custard with specific milk. So I've never used this milk, but apparently he says it's amazing. So it's the Fairlife whole ultra filtered milk, lactose free. Oh, I didn't know it was lactose free. Anyway, he said it's amazing, and he said his custard is best with this, so that's what I did. And then I got heavy whipping cream because that's what I like on my apple crumble, and so does Phoenix. I got freezer bags, an oven bag. I don't know if I'm gonna end up using it. I've heard so many different ways, so I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna research it tonight. Storage bag. So I'm pretty sure that there is lice in kind of like climates like this, and I am so afraid of the kids catching lice, especially girls. I feel like they're hugging each other, their hair touches each other, hop, there it goes. And so I'm paranoid because then that means she's gonna hug me and then I'll catch lice, and I don't want lice. So I got this. I've used Fairy Tales before for their, well, we have it for their chlorine for when they did swim lessons, and it's really good stuff. So this one is the lice prevention. I don't know what's going on with my camera. The lighting keeps on changing, and I feel like I'm not really sure what's going on. I think it's these horrible lights up top, sorry. This is the Fairy Tales Lice Prevention Rosemary Repel Conditioning Spray and the Daily Shampoo. And apparently this is to prevent kids from getting lice because it's such a strong like citronella, rosemary, tea tree oil that the lice don't like it. I don't know, I'm just really paranoid about the kids getting lice, and I know that in England it's a very similar climate to here. At least it's not as hot there, but the humidity, the rain, the wetness, I'm just assuming that it's probably the same here as far as lice. And my sister got it once, and then my mom got it, and it was horrible, and I don't want lice. So we got this. If you guys have any tips or tricks, or if you know about North Carolina, do they get lice here? I'm pretty sure they probably do. I don't know if it's a problem, if it happens a lot, but I'm not gonna take the risk. So I got those. Oh, is that so sweet? It says, I like you, Lily. I like you, Lily. And then one for your teacher. That's, oh, I like you, love Lily. Is that what it means?
Well, I like you. And
you should put a heart above your name. We got some Act Kids Bubblegum toothpaste. We got blackberries because I really like mixing blackberries, raspberries, and apples in my crumble because it just makes it taste so good. Listerine Smart Rinse. I got a turkey thermometer because I've never cooked turkey before. I've never had to like check turkey temperatures. Our plug in our bath for the kids doesn't plug. So this is the OXO Softwork Silicone Tub Stopper. Hopefully it works, we'll see. Got Brussels sprouts, because everybody wants Brussels sprouts, don't they? 2 bags of those. Tomatoes for the little veggie platter. Some lemons, because my aunt told me if you stick an onion and a lemon inside the cavity of the turkey, it will be delicious. So I'm gonna do it. All the onions. Got more of the salads. Butter, because apparently you're supposed to put the butter on the turkey. Frozen peas, frozen corn, flour for the apple crumble, sugar for the apple crumble, paper towels. We get Bounty, I like them. Viva ones are really soft, but I feel like when you do the windows, it leaves little fluff marks. A big roasting pan for the turkey. And last but not least, I just crushed my roasting pan with toilet paper. Charmin. We like the Ultra Soft because the Ultra Soft makes your bum happy. And I need to get a turkey baster. I could not find a turkey baster anywhere at Target. What the poo? Where is the turkey baster? You would think it would be right where all the turkey stuff was, but it wasn't. I couldn't find it anywhere. Can you tell I've been up since 3 a.m.? It is officially... Phoenix, what time is it, boo-boo?
it is 5:31.
It's 5:31. I've been up since 3 because I had to set my alarm for 5 o'clock for this morning. And so I was like, okay, I'll set my alarm for 5. But you know how when you set your alarm, you feel like you're stressed, you can't sleep because you don't want to sleep through the alarm. So then I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I was like, well, I might as well just get up now because I don't want to like fall back asleep and then like miss my alarm. So I've been up since 3. So I've officially been up for like 15 hours at this point or something like that. I can't even count. So thank you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at Sam Sherman, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okie doke.